Hi, this is Sanawali and welcome to my channel. I just thought I would show you, I will just give you a little bit of details for an envelope I just made recently. This envelope was ready-made. I did not make this envelope. It was a white envelope. I think it was really thin and it was really delicate. But I will just try to give as many details as possible of what and how I did this. You can always use your own stencils and your own ink pads or ink colors or whatever it is, but I will give you all the details possible of what I did. So here's the thing. What I did was I took the Tim Holtz Distress Oxides, the ink pads, and I smoothed it like this. I started it like this. Always go with the lighter shade. Okay, as this envelope was really thin, as you can see this, it was really delicate to use, and the oxides and the distress are both water based, so your envelope can go a little bit soft. So make sure you do one side, then dry it with your heating tool, and then do the other side. So this is how I did it. I opened this up, started from the bottom, and smoothed one shade from here like this, sorry, like this, and then I went ahead and did the darker shade. Use as many colors as you want. It's really up to you. If you want one shade, two shade, three shades, four shades, it's really up to you. Just a suggestion, if you're using a really thin envelope for your practices, I would suggest don't spray on it. Don't spray the distress inks, because my guess is this, it would just tear up right in front of you. It will not take the amount of spray you do on the envelope, right? So yeah, for that you can always use a thicker cardstock from the white cardstock or the white water based cardstock. You can, it's really up to you, whichever you want to use. You can use the Rangers or the Tim Hortons ones, whichever you like, but this envelope is made from only Tim Hortons material, products, sorry. I have used only two things on this. One, oxides. I have used oxides, as you can see, and I have used stencils. Nothing else on this envelope. And I guess I really like it. Like, you can always do it as a practice or something you want to do. I will be making few more things as I recently found few of his older stuff and my favorite things, products. So yes, I will be trying out lots and lots of things for the envelope, and obviously keeping them, because the latest ones are really cool. I love that paper pad, and I know I will be enjoying it. So after I did the front one, I dried it up, then I went ahead and did the back side. As you can see, this is, by the way, this is not a different color. It came from this back one. It kind of just bleeded at the back because the envelope is really light. And see, when I was making this seriously, on a serious basis, when I was making this, I so enjoyed it, and it gave the batik effect for me. Like, it was really beautiful. Just smoosh it like this. You can also do other things as well, but this is what I did, and I will show you a card. It can easily go inside. This is also one of the things I made recently, and I'm just showing you that the card can go in easily. Not sure if this is the same side, because I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so as you can see, I've put this in and it can go in really easily, depending what size of card you make, but I don't want to ruin it because I'm using one hand. So here we go. And secondly, I also then dried this whole thing up. Don't do anything else before your envelope is has been dried up. There are lots and lots of techniques for the envelopes, like crazy techniques, which I will be doing it soon enough. And I'm really sorry for the background noise. I don't know what to do with this. So here is the thing. Then what I did was, after drying it up, I started, because the background was these two shades, what I did was, first I used this number one. It's really up to you how you want to do it, how you want to start doing it. I use this number from Stampers and Anonymous, Tim Hall's die cutting, stencils. So this is what I did. I used the number Stampers Anonymous stencil, and the here is the brown shade. I used the brown shade for this one. By the way, this was Oxide, so that is the reason the brown shade went a little bit lighter. Okay, I'm really sorry for the mess up video, because the guy at the backside was like, it's a vegetable cart, so it was like too loud right now. It was going through our area, and it was saying 100 rupees kilo. So yes, yes, I know that's funny. Someday I will just most probably make a video and upload it for you guys. So uh, okay, so here is the stencils I've used, the number one and this cracked up stencil, and the times stencil. I love these stencils from Tim Hall's Stampers Anonymous. I will link down the stencils if you guys like to buy those things or anything. And also the ink pad shades, I will link it down later. I will just give the details on my video after it's finished. So okay, that thing just confused the hell out of me. So here we go. I have used black suit for all these shades. I just thought that I would go and do some kind of a really light kind of thing for this one. This one was my first envelope when I was trying this method out, and I just literally love this, and I would suggest go ahead and do it. You will love doing this and you will just go crazy. I know this one is a really lighter envelope, so I will also try it on cardstock and watercolor cardstock, lots of things hopefully coming up soon. And so this is the number one. I also did it the other way around. As you can see, this is 2 and this is 4. You can see this is also, no, this is the right way, but I just went ahead and did it randomly. As you can see, half here, and half over here. This one was also up and down. I turned the stencil the other way, the wrong way, and shaded it with my oxides. And also then I did the lighter shade, then I went ahead and did the darker shade, because I was not sure how all these would look, but I had so much fun making this one. As you can see, I'm showing you the close-up. I know you will be able to understand what I have done with this one, and I hope you enjoyed the details. Next time I will make sure it's more than this, and then let it dry. As you can see, this looks really beautiful, really cool. Like this actually looked like a batik pouch, small pouch for batik. That's what I thought it was, and you can always use this actually for more stuff, lots and lots of stuff, and it looked really cool. So I guess you can always put in some kind of card, small card or souvenirs or some small different cards and gift it to someone or keep it for yourself. It's really up to you. You can also make these kind of things for your junk journals or your memory book, or I guess most probably for your junk journal, because junk journals has got like really crazy stuff in them. Like I have been so enjoying myself checking out the junk journals and everything. They look really fabulous and beautiful, and you can always try this technique out with anything or a card as well. It will look really beautiful, some crazy kind of card or your tags if you want, and there are lots and lots of things you can try this thing out with. So I really hope you enjoyed the details with that noise, big noise, crazy noise. And I will be showing lots of new making lots of new things and showing you guys lots of other things as well. Please do subscribe to my channel and do follow me on my other social media platforms. And that's it. The colors are oxides. I have used oxides, no distress inks on this, and I have also used that is the reason it's giving the, if you can see it properly, it's giving the chalky effect. As you can see, this is a really delicate envelope. So just enjoy making one. I hope you guys do try this technique out, and or you guys do try some kind of envelope out, because I just loved it. And Stampers Anonymous, Stencils, and Oxide inks. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Here we go. I will show you the close up, the proper close up for the envelope. Here's the back side. Take care. Bye bye.